Your skin acts as a physical barrier between foreign invaders and your body. Once the first line of defense is breached, your body very quickly starts its first major attack against invading substances. This is called innate immunity and involves a group of white blood cells called phagocytes. Two types of phagocytes involved are the neutrophils and macrophages.
An inflammatory response occurs at the site of the wound. Damaged cells release chemicals such as histamine that cause the blood vessels to dilate, increasing blood flow to remove any toxic products released by invading microorganisms.
These chemicals also attract more neutrophils and macrophages to the wound by chemotaxis.
Neutrophils, the first cells to migrate to the site of infection, release superoxide anions, causing an oxidative burst and killing the invading microbes and any surrounding body cell. These apoptotic neutrophils are then engulfed by macrophages along with the pathogens by the process called phagocytosis.
If even then, some pathogens are able to get past the body's innate immune defenses, the body cells then call the specialists, the B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. These types of white blood cells form part of the adaptive immune defenses and possess receptor proteins on their surface that binds with antigen.
The antigen is a marker found at the surface of cell, which enable white blood cells to determine friend from foe, developing self-tolerance. In addition to their phagocytic role, some macrophages act as antigen-presenting cells. On recognizing the pathogen, the APCs engulf them, cut a piece of the pathogen's antigen, called the epitope, and display it on their surface. B lymphocytes with surface receptors that recognize that particular antigen also binds to it. The process is called clonal selection. However, the B cells are not yet activated. A helper T lymphocyte cell with a complementary receptor also binds to the displayed foreign antigen and becomes activated. This process is called T helper cell activation. The activated helper T lymphocyte produces large amounts of lymphokines that activate the B cells with receptors complementary to the antigen and stimulate macrophages for more phagocytosis. The activated B lymphocytes replicate themselves, and the resulting clone army sends a barrage of protein weapons called antibodies to destroy the invaders.
Some remain back and become memory cells that stick around, ready to mount a faster attack in case of another invasion by the pathogen. So the takeaway here is that the immune system is very good at its job, which is to protect the body against diseases in the name of keeping you alive. My name is Zubair Baduda. Thank you for your attention.